Oh, you want to be in my video? Is that what it is? Narcissist? You're not going to be in my video. No. No. Yeah. Wait, hold on. Is this a bird sanctuary? Is this a restroom? It's a restroom. I'm pretty sure it's a restroom. Where's the bird sanctuary?
The commons.
Look, what?
Listen to her breathing. Parentheses.
we made it to the top. Yeah, apparently Comic-Con has me worn out, yo.
Something about the scent.
Actually, I read an article like dog food smells like that because that's how they like it.
Oh.
Like if it smelled delicious like a steak, they just be like, eh, whatever. The more foul it is, like the more attracted to it they are.
They have like a higher level of smell. It's something that
they
we
do,
don't know.
and you'd think that it'd make them like gag and just like really hate it, but
They know something we don't.
I think it's they don't have as much sense of taste. So even though they can smell all the like disgusting rotten stuff, it doesn't make them gag or whatever. Yeah.